Let's also look at the steps taken by Gurugram at this point, where the district administration has issued notification to enforce stricter measures through curbs on the cross movement across all the borders of the district. For any movement which is not covered under the exemption, permission has to be granted by the DM's office. The administration further said and has suggested that those who work in Gurugram but don't live there should now make arrangements to stay in Gurugram itself. And this is extremely important because of the kind of cross movement of people that we witness on a daily basis from Delhi to Gurugram. Now, and those who live in Gurugram but travel to outside of the district for work should also get their own accommodation in their respective areas of their work. Additionally, this has been done to eliminate the daily cross-border traffic at this point. Let me go across to my colleague Alok, who's joining me live with those updates. Alok, this is extremely important and, of course, a cause of concern for the authorities to eliminate first the cross-border movement, which is extremely important and something that we witness on a daily basis between Noida, Delhi and Gurugram. What are the measures and steps that the Gurugram administration has taken in this regard?
Gurugram has also, in fact, restricted the movement of people from Gurugram to Delhi or from Delhi to Gurugram. The reason is that they believe that people who are coming from Delhi, they may bring corona. This is the main and this is the basic reason because of the restriction. And before Gurugram, we saw in Ghaziabad, the administration also did this, and Noida administration also did the same thing, and citing the reason that the people who are coming from Delhi, they may bring corona. So this is the reason. Remember, Delhi is one of the hottest spots. All the 11 districts are hot spots that is declared by the Delhi government. A number of cases are increasing daily in Delhi. So definitely all the neighboring districts are in the fear of number of cases may increase. However, in Gurugram, if we particularly talk around, number of cases are not much as in compared to other NCR districts. In fact, in Gurugram, only 58 cases have been reported so far, but they are in the fear, so they have put restrictions on the movement of some people. That includes the government officials as well, but those people who live in Gurugram, who are employee of central government, they are allowed to go to the Delhi and to come back to Delhi as well. The other essential services goods are the movement of these goods are allowed. Ambulances, the movement of ambulances are allowed. But for the common man or the other people who are trying to go for their personal reasons, they are not allowed to go to Delhi or to come from Delhi to Gurugram.
All right. Alok, many thanks for joining us and giving us those updates from Gurugram at this point.